So good morning all of you. So I hope all students are watched that design of slab base videos. If you watch that videos, then continuation of design of bases, column bases with the second type of problem. Second type of problem where we can provide gazetted base. So what is the difference between gazetted base and slab base? We'll discuss. Which are the element here we have to design, that we'll discuss. So first try to understand what is mean by gazetted base. So gazetted base are provided for column carrying heavier loads. So when you see the first sentence of this, gazetted base are provided for column carrying heavier means more loads or heavy loads requiring large base plate. It's requiring large base plate. When you see the design base slab, design of base slab, there the columns are consists of lightweight load, is not considering heavy loads. That's why the main difference is the gazetted base will design only for heavy loads. It is carrying actually for carrying heavy loads. We are providing gazetted base for carrying heavy loads. In case of slab base, the slab base are carrying lightweight loads. Okay, so now here a gazetted base consists of a base of reduced thickness and two gazetted plate and attach one to each flange of the column. Okay, so now the main thing we have to understand, the column gazetted base and slab base. What is the main difference? The slab base consists of only, it may carrying only lightweight loads, but in case of gazetted base, the gazetted base mainly designed for the heavy loads. It carry heavy loads. So it means that heavy loads carry base, it should require more base plate compared to a design of base plate. Design of base plate not require much area, but here the required area is more than slab base. So now here one more thing we understand, why say gazetted plate? Because the column is consists of maybe single column or it may be build up column. Build up column means it may be consists of I section with cover plates or without cover plates. Most of the cases in the problem which is a refer for your question papers, most of the problem they given with cover plates. So here what happened, column is consists of build up section. Build up section means I section carrying with a cover plates. Okay, because we already know the gazetted plate mainly designing for the heavy loads. It means that heavy loads required, actually the column should require the stiffness that it carry that load. So it may be I section may carry, or it may be consist with build up section, I section plus cover plates. So now here gazetted plates mainly providing for heavy columns. Okay, so it consists of mainly gazetted angle, which is a difference between slab base. Slab base consists of cleat angle. When you go for designing a boulder connection, if you go for a welder connection, no cleat angle is required. But here we designing gazetted plate, gazetted angles is required here if the connections are bolted. If the connections are welded, again the gazetted plate, gazetted angle is not required. And one more difference we have to understand, tilt angle at the slab base we assuming the equal angle of minimum start with 55 into 55 into 10 mm, but here in this case we designing the gazetted plate, gazetted angle also, we designing the gazetted angle depending upon the requirements. Okay, so here what happened, the I section consists with two cover plate or without two cover plate. Most of the cases it's cover two cover plate and gazetted plate, then the then after that click gazetted angle, and lastly we'll design as base slab. So it means we have designed here three different elements. Which are the elements? Gazetted plate, gazetted angle and base plate. This much requirement for the design. So okay, the gazetted plate are clicked angle and fastenings or bolts in combination with the bearing area of shaft shall be sufficient to take all the loads. And here one more thing we understand here, the load which is transfer from the column to the cover plate to the angle to the base plate, how the arrangement is going on. So just I show you the diagram here. In diagram I show only I section. I section, that showing the load is acting as P. I am not showing here, only I showing these components of gazetted plate here. Okay, so now I section consists of, without here in the diagram, I section only, a single I section I had taken, and I had taken core plate. So after that it is attached with the gazetted plate both the side. Okay, and here second next is gazetted angle, or we can say in the diagram I can clit angle, you can say clit angle also, but when you designing will say gazetted angle, then base plate. This three things we have to design. One is gazetted base, or you can say base plate, then we have to design gazetted angle or clit angle, and last one is gazetted plate. This all three elements we have to design. Okay, when you see here that front elevation is look like a same as column bases, but the difference is here we have to always be providing gazetted plate, but in case of slab base we are not providing the gazetted plate. Okay, this is the front view and this is the plan. We can see I section with gazetted plate, then angle section means gazetted angle, and here last one is base plate. So here this is the first video, is consists only the introduction about the gazetted plate, what is the difference between the gazetted plate and slab base. So we already discussed slab base and gazetted. There are 4 differences I explained in the video. Remember, watch this video, listen carefully and write your comments. What are the difference between? This is the main aim is you have to understand the difference between gazetted plate and base plate. So thank you. Please watch this video.